Alright guys, what we're going to do now is I'm going to show you again how to do the Google custom search. Uh, search traditionally is based on JavaScript and database scripting, but Google's made it nice and easy for those of us that don't want to get into that level or don't have the resources to get into that level of coding to create our own search engine. What I'm going to do is, you can see I've already logged into my Gmail account or my Google account. I'm going to create a custom search engine. I'm going to go ahead and just follow the forms that it's got here for me. Alright, only the sites I select, I'm just going to tell it. I'm going to have it search emerson.edu this time. Alright. I'm going to do the standard edition, which is free. I'm going to agree to the terms, and I'm going to click next. It's going to bring me to a confirmation page. I'm just going to go ahead and I don't really need a confirmation, so I'm not going to get one. I'm just going to click finish. And now you can see I've got my new search engine, Emerson Tester. If I go into the control panel, the key things that you want to be able to do, if you want to add sites, you'll see here under the sites you can do that. Under indexing, there's some additional advanced settings that you can go through if you'd like, but probably not all that necessary. Refinements is another kind of deep link thing that I don't think we're going to get into. The real items that you're going to want to probably deal with are look and feel. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and tell it that I want Google to host my results page. I'm going to go with a minimalist look here. Alright, I like Verdana. I like my Google custom search logo. I want my results to be in red, and I want the visited color to be orange. Alright, so you get the idea. I get to go through here and set all these things. If I want to put my own logo in here, I can put my own logo in here. Let's see here. Alright, so I'm going to copy link location. I'm going to paste it in. Oh, that's not what I wanted. Right. And go back over here. And I'll have that be my logo. I'm going to save. I'm going to get my code. Alright. I'm just going to go ahead here. I'm going to hit Command A to select all, and then I'm going to do Command C to copy. I'm going to go ahead back over into Dreamweaver, and I'm in my template now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to locate where on my page I want this search box to be. I like my search box up in my utility nav area. So then I'm going to hit Control V or Edit, Paste. All right, and it's going to give me the code from Google. Now again, I like to be organized, so I'm going to keep this all inside here. Alright, I'm going to click Save. Again, it's going to tell me that I've got two HTML documents that are linked to it. It's going to update both of those, and I'm going to go ahead and upload them. Go back over here to Firefox so I can see my progress. Okay, let's make sure that both of my documents are up. They are. So now if I hit refresh, you can see now I've got Google search. If I type in masters, we're searching Emerson, remember? Alright, you can see it's got my logo and it's pulling all of the results from emerson.edu just like I told it to. And just like that, you can get your search on a page. Of course, there's other options here, so feel free to play around with any of these settings and get it to exactly what you want. And don't be afraid to play around with your code. If this isn't exactly where you want to have your search box appear, you can always do inline CSS with this inline style here, just like we were taught towards the beginning of the semester. And we can get this particular element, which is being controlled from an off-site party, to appear just the way we want to. Because we know inline CSS. Alright guys, that's Google search.